Hello class 4. In the last video, we learned about atmosphere. What is called atmosphere? A layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Atmosphere is made up of different gases. Name the main gases that we find in the atmosphere. Yes, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and some other gases. Fine. Which gas is the maximum we find in the atmosphere? Yes, nitrogen gas. And what is the percentage? You remember? Yes, 78.09. And what is the percentage of oxygen? Yes, 20.95. Good. And what gas we need to survive? Yes, oxygen. So let us go to the next topic. Our next topic is lithosphere. Take your social study book and turn to page number 42. Lithosphere. The lithosphere is the solid part of the earth. The earth has three layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. What is the meaning of lithos? The meaning of lithos is stone. So children, how many layers are there in the lithosphere? Three layers. And what are they? Crust, mantle, and core. Good. Look, the crust is the outermost part, the surface. It has water. It also has rocks and the soil that is formed when rocks break down over many hundreds of years. These form the lithosphere. The mantle is the next layer. Its upper part is hard rock, which too is part of the lithosphere. The innermost layer of the earth is the core. It is very hot. It is so hot that the rocks have melted. The lower part of the mantle, which is next to the core, is also molten rock. The molten rocks keep moving all the time, but we usually cannot feel this movement because it happens very slowly and gradually. Now look at the picture. See, the crust is the uppermost part of the lithosphere. This is the first or the uppermost layer. Then you go little inside, you'll see mantle. And if you look very closely, you will see there are two different colors. This side the color is little brownish, and this side color is more like orange, and in the center yellow, and this is core. Now this part of the mantle is the hard rock, but this part which looks like orange, that part is molten rock, because rocks in a melted position, and in the center of the lithosphere is called core. Here this part is very hot and rocks are in melted position. This part is the hottest part. So children, we have seen the three layers of the atmosphere. Sorry, three layers of lithosphere. Now you tell me, we, or the living beings, where do we live? On the surface, that is called crust, or in the mantle, or in the core? Yes, we live on the crust, that is called the surface. We cannot live in the mantle, because that is the next layer after the crust. So definitely we cannot live there, and that part is very hot, because rocks are in melted situation, and the core we cannot think of, because it is absolutely hot. Children, molten rocks are moving every time, but do you feel the movement? No. Why don't you feel the movement? Because the movement of this molten rock is very slow and this movement happens very slowly and gradually. That is why we are standing on the crust or the surface level, but we don't feel the movement. Many essential things that we need, such as iron and coal, are found in the rocky layers of the earth. Next, when rocks break down over hundreds of years, soil is formed. All plants grow in this soil. So children, how soil is formed? There are so many big rocks are there. Hills and mountains break down into rocks, and then rocks again break down over the hundred of years, and become smaller, and then it becomes soil. When it becomes soil, and on that soil different type of plants grow, and we find very essential and very needful minerals from this rocky layer. We find coal, we find iron ore, and they are very expensive today in our day-to-day life. That is why we have to spend a lot of money to buy iron, because they are not in huge amount. That is why we have to buy them with good amount of money. So children, today we learned about lithosphere and its three layers. One is crust, another one is mantle, and the third one is core. So you read the chapter again, and in the next class we will learn about biosphere. Thank you.